Go ahead.
My name is Dick Pregetzer, and this is my wife, Gloria. And we want to sell our house, and we didn't want to deal with all the realtors and the showing of the house and everything, so I contacted WBHouses.com. And it was a great experience, everything from start to finish. We did have a legal lawyer that looked through the paperwork, and everything was kosher, right on what it should be, and everything went pretty smooth from beginning to end with no cost or no fees out of our pocket. It was very easy and very quick, and Robert was very personable. He was enjoyable to talk to when he first came in the house to look at it. We had a great visit with him, and everything went fine and smooth, and we had no problems right up until the end, and we received our check.
Good. Well, thank you.